Hello friends, if you had kidney stones, you know the pain. The honest truth, stone loves to come back. About 50% of the people get another within 5 years of. But your daily routine can slash that risk. Let's walk one day, habit by habit, that pushes the stone away. So let's talk about morning. Wake up and drink a full glass of water before anything else. Your number one goal today is urine output more than 2.5 liters. That usually means that at least 3 liters of the fluid is spread across the day, more if you sweat or you do in certain activities or whether it's a sports activity. This single habit has the strongest evidence for preventing kidney stone recurrence. Now keep a refillable bottle and pace yourself. Clear to pale yellow urine, you are on track. Breakfast. Keep normal calcium in your diet, don't cut it. Aim for a 1000 or 1200 milligram per day from food like milk, curd, paneer or any fortified alternative. Dietary calcium in meal binds oxalate in the gut and lower the overall stone risk. And also hold the salt. The target of the total salt intake should be less than 2300 milligram of the sodium per day. High sodium drives the calcium in the urine and feeds stone. Citrus fruits or any citrus milk help if your urine citrate is low, a common risk. Add real lemon to water or have a citrate food. In one randomized studies, fresh lemon juice, about 60 ml twice a day, increases the citrate level and delay the recurrence. Potassium citrate is a medical option, but food first work for many. Now coming on to the lunch. Build plates that look like the DASH diet. Lot of fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, whole grains and low-fat dairy product. Go light on processed meat, added sugars or salt. People who ate this way had 40 or 50% lower stone risk. Now keep animal protein moderate. Oversized meat portions raises urinary calcium to uric acid. If you form uric acid stones or have acidic urine, you will do better keeping urine pH up, that is alkaline. Now citrus, more veggies and prescribed alkali can help in that scenario. If you sit long hours, stand and walk every hour, physical activity improves the insulin sensitivity in your body and may reduce the uric acid stone drivers. Now coming on to the last meal of your day, that is the dinner. Dinner repeats the same lunch logic. Normal calcium in the meal, moderate animal protein, low sodium and always skip the sugar sweetened sodas. They are linked to higher risk of the stone formation. Now finish the day with a glass of water before bed. And if you wake at night, especially in hot weather. Here is the thing, routine beats one-off fixes. Do a 24-hour urine test after your first stone so you know your personal target. That is the volume, citrate, calcium, oxalate, uric acid and pH. That let us add precise tool like potassium citrate or any diuretics like thiazide only if you need them. This personalized approach, habit first plan, is what guideline from AUA and EOA build on. Hit more than 2.5 liters of urine, eat normal calciums with meal, keep sodium low, go DASH style and add citrus more daily and test your urine once to personalize. Save this, share it with someone who drink everything except water and tell me which part you are starting tomorrow. Thanks.